Good afternoon, everybody. I am student meteorologist Justin Williams here to give you your North Georgia weather forecast. Behind me here is your tropical Atlantic satellite, and we have Hurricane Beryl taking up most of the view here. She is a Category 4 hurricane, and she's been breaking records here recently. She is the earliest Category 4 storm in the Atlantic Ocean on record, and it is the only Category 4 storm to ever have been formed in the month of June. This is definitely an ominous start to this year's hurricane season, but we can only watch to see how this thing plays on out here as we go on through Grenada here. It is going to be making its way towards the southern part of the Windward Islands, really making a direct hit over these islands, unfortunately, bringing significant wind gusts up to 150 miles per hour and significant storm surge. But fortunately, as we go on through the end of today, it's going to be making its way out for the most part. It's moving quite quickly towards the west, down towards the Yucatan Peninsula, and towards Jamaica, which also has a hurricane watch issued by the National Hurricane Center. But as we go on into Athens here, there's a high pressure that's really keeping all of that down south of us, down south towards the Caribbean. So we probably won't be affected by this hurricane or anything like that as we go on into the near future. But for the most part, we are sitting at 90 degrees here in Athens, upper 80s here in North Georgia with very high dew points into the 70s with feels-like temperatures soaring into the upper 90s. We have seen already triple-digit heat indexes and feels-like temperatures in North Georgia today already. And that is not going to be stopping, especially as we go in through the end of this week. But we're going to have a little break here as we go on into Tuesday. It's going to be falling off a cliff. This humidity is going to be getting a lot better, a lot more comfortable Tuesday for most of the day. As you go back up on Wednesday and Thursday, here it is. There's that spike. It's going to be sticking around for your 4th of July holiday weekend. But for the most part, Tuesday will be comfortable. Mostly cloudy, though. We'll get to that here in a second. Here's your forecast radar and clouds. Partly cloudy right now over our area. Not a whole lot of showers to be seen. But as you go on into tonight, though, they're going to start forming. They're going to start really all the way from Athens up to Calhoun, down to Noonan. You guys are going to be seeing some showers by the end of the night here, and especially going in towards midnight, they're going to be flaring up all the way around metro Atlanta. But for the most part, northwest Georgia will be sticking clear and dry. That's going to be allowing them to cool down pretty nicely in the upper 60s, while the rest of us here just hunker down by this cloud cover and rainfall. We're going to be sticking around in the mid to lower 70s tonight. But as we go on into tomorrow, all that rainfall is going to be clearing on out. Some of those clouds are going to be making their way on out by 7 to 8 o'clock tomorrow evening, but they're going to be sticking around for most of the day. It's going to be making us pretty cool tomorrow, pretty comfortable, but they should be clearing out for that sunset tomorrow. But going into your tonight's forecast, it's going to be cloudy, low of 73 degrees tonight. Scattered thunderstorms, those thunderstorms will be increasing in chance as you go towards the southwest in our region. Tomorrow, we're going to be rebounding not super nicely up to about 87 degrees here. Fortunately, we're not going to be up into the 90s tomorrow, but upper 80s tomorrow, mostly cloudy. The cloud cover is going to be keeping us pretty cool. Not super high rainfall chances tomorrow, but you can't rule out a stray shower or thunderstorm tomorrow. Low chances, though, for most of the region. 7-day forecast, here we go. Partly cloudy Wednesday and Thursday, but Friday, here we go. Your 4th of July weekend, it's going to be hot with highs nearing triple digits once more. We're going to be making another run towards 100s by the end of the week here. It's going to be hot and rainy Friday and Saturday, and hopefully going to be clearing out Sunday and Monday for a nice start to your next week. Once again, I am student meteorologist Justin Williams, and go Dogs.